Welcome back, YouTube fam. We have a very special episode lined up for you today. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Stars and Stripes Jigawatt, limited to only 50 pairs. And in my opinion, this is the best pair they have ever made. But before we check these out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and don't forget to check out our other videos because we have a ton of fantastic and exclusive content that you're only going to see right here, just like these Stars and Stripes Gigawatts. And also, make sure you check out my book. It's motivational, educational, it's inspirational, it's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. Who doesn't like saving money? And you can get a lot of free stuff, and it's totally legit. Tons of positive reviews on this already. Check it out. Links are going to be below in the description. And even if you hate reading, I promise you will love this book. It's very entertaining. So don't forget to check this out. But let's check out these Gigawatts. So for America's 250th anniversary, I think that's the, what is that, the quincentennial or something like that. M-Experiment released 5 pairs. We got here, come on in so we can check this out here on their website. Now they took the original down because they sold out. They were all sold out and it didn't take long. They of course had the Stars and Stripes Jigawatt, Business and Pleasure, Megawatt, and version 5.2. And I do want to say, I really liked how they did this. They kind of mixed it up just a little bit. They did the Stars and Stripes Jigawatt, Megawatt, and version 5.2. They did those all kind of similar with similar frame colors. But then the Business and Pleasure, they mixed those up a little bit. So they did the icon with the Stars and Stripes instead of the actual frames like they did the Jigawatt, Megawatt, and version 5.2. But we picked up the Gigawatts. In my opinion, this was the coolest pair out of the set. And I wasn't going to get any. I didn't want to spend the money. But you know what? When I saw these, I said, wow, these are absolutely amazing. I've got to get a pair of these. So I picked them up. So we got them right here. And this is technically going to be an unofficial unboxing because, yes, as of the time that this video is being shot, it's after the 4th of July. It's after our 250th, so I had to wear these for our 250th. But I didn't get a chance to shoot the video beforehand. Sorry, guys. But, hey, better late than never, right? But we got the box here. Come on, check these out. You got... Well, let me pull this out of the wrapper first. You got the nice box with the limited edition M-Experiment icon and logo here on the front. And of course here you've got, what's it say? It's got Jigawatt, and it'll tell you the frame, Stars and Stripes, right? Or matte Stars and Stripes. Lens, Glacier Plasma Chromatic M9M Polarized. And then they got the skew. Let's check these out. Only 50 pairs were made, which makes these all the more special. And they had 50, let me go back here to the website briefly. They actually had 50 of, give me a second. They had 50 of each of the 5 pairs for a total of 250, which was pretty cool. Right, so 50 of the Jigawatt, 50 of the Business, 50 of the Pleasure, and so on, Megawatt and version 5.2. But these, again, were definitely my favorites out of all. You got your collector's coin in here. You got your sticker. This is a really cool sticker. Look at the sticker, guys. It's got the American flag on there, and it kind of fades a little bit, which is great. I think that's a little bit of a distinction on there. This is really awesome. Reminiscent of back in the day when Oakley had the Oakley Ellipse, and they had them in different flag icons. Of course, these will match the color of the glasses, but I do like what they did here. Your microfiber bag, right? Give me a second here. I'm going to put this back here. Microfiber bag, and this thing is soft, unlike Oakley's bags nowadays that are almost abrasive. They got a nice solid drawstring here as well. But look at these frames, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And how they did these with, I don't know if you want to, well, translucent frames, right? I don't know if you want to call them crystal blue orbitals paired with crystal red ear stems. But so tastefully done. Let's hold these up to the light. Make sure you can see the, can they see the, I don't know what the angle is. Can they see the red? Or yeah, by the light. You see how that's, yeah, translucent, which is really cool. And the same thing with the orbitals. And then you've got, come on in so we can see these. You've got your stars on the edge of the orbital, your stripes here. I guess I wish they would have been a little more defined. If you look at the website here, they look like they'd be a little more, right, a little brighter, right? The stars and the stripes look a little brighter than they do actually in person, right? They still look great, right? But I guess I wish they would have been a little bit brighter, but still definitely not a deal breaker. Gold icon, which is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful how they did the icon. I think that was probably the best color that they could have chose. They could have done a black or a dark gray or gunmetal icon, but they chose to go with gold, which I think is fantastic. Let's get that in focus there a little bit. There we go. So we can see that. And then again, these lenses, these are the the Glacier plasma chromatic M9M polarized lenses, and they've got the etching here in the bottom, the M9M polarized on the bottom left lens, M9MP. You guys can see that there. Let's see if we can get that in focus a little bit better. There it is, M9MP. And in the right lens, the M-Experiment logo. But let's try these guys on because these are great. Again, adjustable nose bombs, right? You can click them in and out a little bit for a customized fit if you want them closer or further away from your face. But I'm going to actually try these on, of course, because why not? I already had them on before. I think this is definitely, especially if you're an American, a lot of you guys are out of the country, Canada, Brazil, overseas, and that's cool. But if you're an American and you were celebrating our 250th anniversary, this is definitely the way to go. I think that they absolutely knocked it out of the park with this pair. I can't imagine that they'll ever come up with a cooler colorway than this. Maybe I should have got the version 5.2s and the megawatts as well. I don't know, but I'm just happy I was able to get these. Again, very limited, only 50 pairs. So what do you think, camera lady?
It's good.
Camera lady says it's good. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time.